Hello, Jamaica. I'm Davalle, Junior Shadow Spokesperson for Commerce, Science, and Technology. All I want for Christmas is to see us finally transition from this low tech, low income, low growth model and finally start putting the investments in technology, innovation, and digital transformation so that we're able to create an ecosystem that is able to attract some big tech companies into Jamaica and also to help to create and nurture a culture of innovation and entrepreneurships, which we know drives every Jamaican. We recently returned from the World Robotics Competition, where we were made world champions. So I know that we're able to do this. The next big tech idea can be created right here in Jamaica by Jamaicans. I would like to wish a peaceful and enjoyable Christmas holiday for every Jamaican and a powerful 2024. Time come.